Are you tired of banging into curbs only to leave a curb rash all over your brand new rims? Well, I have the solution for you. Stay tuned. Hello everybody, welcome back to Bazzar Repairs and Reviews. On today's video, we have the Evooor Rim Protectors for Tesla models Y3, S, and X. These rim protectors go right over your rims. They're very stylish and they look amazing. Here they are right here. They come with really good 3M adhesive backing tape, microfiber towel, and also some alcohol wipes. It's also crafted from high hardness alloy material. As you'll see in a little bit, these will go right over your car rims and they'll match the color of your rims that you have, and they look fantastic. So as you can see, these are my ugly, damaged, curb rashed rims. They look so bad, and I'm so glad that Evooor has this product that actually can cover that and also protect your rims. Okay, so after doing a nice car wash, we're going to start the installation. So just take your microfiber towel and just go around the rim, just making sure you get any dust and debris off of it. Next up, you're going to get your included alcohol wipe and just go completely around the rim, all the way around. Make sure there's no dust or debris on the rim at all. Take your time with this, as this is very important. And you want to get the inside and the outside as well. Okay, so next we're going to peel off the outer protective tape, just like so. And then you're going to peel off about 3 to 4 inches of the red 3M inner tape, as you can see here, and just kind of leave it like that. Then you're going to go ahead and place the protector right on around the outside and just make sure that it has a nice snug fit. And then go ahead and slowly pull the tape about 3 to 4 inches each time while placing your hand and pressing it down on the rim. This will secure the adhesive to the rim. So just go nice and slow all the way around, very easy, while pressing down. And once the tape is off, just in a circular motion, just keep going around and pressing down, just to make sure that it has a nice snug fit all the way around. And when you're done, you can just use the microfiber towel again. So just to show you how easy this is, I'm going to show you again a second tire that I'm doing. I did all 4. But I just decided to show 2, and it's very fast. You can do each of these in under 5 minutes. You usually can probably get it done within about 2 minutes or so. You start to get a lot better as you go on. Okay, and that's the second tire done. So I just wanted to show both. Look at these; they look fantastic. Almost looks like I have brand new rims. And you also have protection now, so in case you hit a curb, it will hit that instead of the rim. And they're easily removed as well, so you can peel these off if you need to and buy a new set just in case you damage them. But it's much better to damage these than to damage your rim, and they look really good. They also come in additional colors as well. Also wanted to show what they look like while driving, so I went really close to a curb and I went forward and backward. You can see they look very nice. From a distance, you can't even tell that they're on at all. So once again, everybody, that was the Evooor Rim Protectors for Tesla Model 3, X, Y, and S. And thank you guys for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye-bye.